Thanks for joining us here at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Edinburgh. Today we have a celebration of the brand's history. We have one of every historic model in our range. The current range, as you know, is a lineup of Dawn, Wraith, Ghost and Phantom. And in advance of the arrival of Cullinan, we decided that today we would celebrate with you, our enthusiasts and our clients, as to how we got to where we are today. The aim of today is to give you a little bit more information about why we chose the names we did, why we have the cars we do, and what it all stemmed from. This partnership between Rolls and Royce started back in 1904 in Manchester, and the very first cars hit the road in 1906 under the new partnership of Rolls-Royce Limited. Prior to that, all vehicles sold were produced by Royce and sold exclusively by Rolls. However, the cars that we're going to focus on today are the cars in the current range. We'd like to thank Chisholm Hunter for agreeing to be part of today's event, a high-end jewellers, and more importantly, they share some of the really important aspects of our history. The continuity since their inception, 1857, of providing some of the finest jewellery and timepieces in the world reflects to us as a dealership what we feel is an excellent brand experience. So the cars we've got on display today, in addition to our own stock, are a 1922 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, a 1936 Rolls-Royce Phantom 3, a 1939 Wraith, and Rolls-Royce have been kind enough to lend us their 1952 Silver Dawn, one of 28 Drophead convertibles. So how do our cars today tie to those historical examples? Well, when BMW bought the Rolls-Royce name in 1998, they spent an awful long time deciding on two factors. One, where could we historically build what has been described as the best motor car in the world? And number two, what was going to be the name of their creation? Phantom was launched on the 1st of January 2003. We're delighted to say, with the addition of Phantom 8 to the family, that this continuity right through from Phantom 1 to Phantom 8 still focuses on taking the best that exists and making it better. Later, we introduced Ghost, a really important model for us as it allowed a car that was of a usable size for each and every individual, where Phantom had been described by some people as too imposing. This is exactly the point. Rolls-Royce is an unapologetic product, but maintains all the elegance, the beauty and the lines that Rolls and Royce would both be proud of today. Then we introduced Wraith in 2013. Wraith took the company in a new direction, a younger profile of customer, but most importantly, the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever produced. Afterwards, we introduced Dawn. Dawn is the modern-day convertible offered by the company, and again is of a rather usable size, an excellent power output, and an overall magic carpet ride that we expect from every model in our range. In advance of the arrival of Cullinan, we want you to enjoy this step back through the history, and we're delighted to present you with the cars that we chose for today. For the first time, a dealer has brought together each of these cars for display, but most importantly, for the clients, to better understand why we are so proud of the names that adorn each and every car. Cullinan on the horizon, a new direction, but completely playing on the strengths of Rolls-Royces of old. Lawrence of Arabia, just one example of somebody who prided the Rolls-Royce on its ability to act off-road. Again, these cars are unapologetic and they are bold. But from that, if you read into it and you really look at the product, you realize the beauty and the reason that we've decided these cars deserve the names they do. As a dealer, It's incredibly important to have complete belief in the product that you sell, and without doubt Rolls-Royce Edinburgh are uniquely in a position where these cars have all been brought together and Rolls-Royce have been kind enough to bestow on us a loan of their Silver Dawn.